use it. Just stick it in the dumpling.
And bite it.
Yeah.
Right. So, yeah.
Yeah, bite it.
Doing your little thing at home. Again, but I not say nothing because I joke time now. St. Andrew's killing, first St. Andrew's killing. Fire go on, Parry, fire too much in the eat, yeah.
It's a good old-fashioned Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. In at the 5-star at the 5-star backyard.
Yes, I the bread jelly this year.
Whoa! You don't want your mother.
How are you today, Allan?
Yeah, now rub some dirt.
Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to cover it off. We have the season.
Oh. Well, we are waiting for Allan. We look for food here, Parry, but this hour about 10:30 now. But where's that time, Allan? About in 4 bells. You know the time the food is ready?
By 11:30.
What time if he say food is ready? Here is Uncle Murphy. What time if he said that food is ready?
I easy cooking this now.
But night 3:34. We are based it off away up last week. See if I'm Parry with up on the roadside. We are cook on the road. See Uncle Murphy car out there, so we dey cross the road and cook. Cause how we do it in our country. Yeah, we are going river rocket Janga. Allan, where you say 4 o'clock food? Alright, Parry, me tell you the time, you know, so we catch up with him as in, you know how Allan is the best that. So what are the menu, Allan? Where we are cook?
Bread, fruit and dumpling.
Yeah, we see the brush and the banana.
Yeah.
No, you don't cook the pork around there. Yeah, Allan, you know them things there. Yeah, Allan. Yeah, we not. Pork cook off in my yard. Hey, Kitty post. Hey, Parry, see Allan post there. So why Allan? Ice cold jelly, Uncle Murphy.
Yes. Wash off your heart.
And the best thing Allan is ever do for me. Ice cold jelly, in cut it put in a fridge till me come. Oh, jelly nice, yeah.
Wash off your heart.
Patois blaze.
You see it? That's a blaze.
Me I cook my country corn. This is the best. It's so cool. It's so nice. Comment and tell me if you come back a country corn live. I don't know come. I want to know how come. We cut jelly put in a fridge food and pick breadfruit and roast. You know about that? Murphy. No. Yes, my spoon have to eat my jelly, Parry. Cool jelly meat. This is the right jelly meat, you hear? Not the hard coconut them. This is the real jelly. When you scoop it up like this is how it looks. This is what we call jelly meat. Not hard coconut. Hard coconut, that we eat with sugar. Jelly meat, a jelly meat. Hey, what you know about St. Mary jelly meat? Yeah. I thought it's not. Oh. Jelly meat, catch you. Parry, a little intermission here. We are cooking, we are Allan cook, but Allan gonna go lift the water. But you know, I just want to break right here and say to you, there are a lot of us that we are in the city. Some of us are abroad, we're there foreign. But you know, so we ought to be proud of our older folks. Because when you look back, these are some legacy that they have left us. Yeah. And we can come back a country and have a little piece of land with 2 breadfruit and a gully and 2 coconut. Where we can come. But for me, I'm just saying, just a little thought. What you think about that? We've got to be proud of them. Because let me tell you something, when you're there city town, and if you even have a house or you buy a house paying mortgage or something, You don't really get these. You don't get this. You have to buy like a big property somewhere in the country. When you're in the city, or there, you know, unless in some places, you can live off grid and all them something there. But in a Jamaica, you may talk. When you left country and gone to town, you know, you don't get them in a town, you know. Because if people even have them place with them little land, or you rent somewhere or something, you can't pick no breadfruit off of them property, you know. You're a tenant, you are not entitled to pick any breadfruit. You can't broke piece of sauce up leave. Make no tea. You can't catch up no wood fire in them place. These are some little legacy. Just for me think, just a little word of thought. What you think, those of you who are, no good all of that for and watch a video, you know. You are in the city or wherever you are. Don't you think these are some legacy that our older folks have left us? Comment about it. Tell me about it in the comment section. Yeah, man. Continue with the way I cook with Allan. Cooking with Allan. But Allan is not a good cook. But at the end of Allan's cooking video, I want you all to comment and tell me how you think Allan do. Allan a cook, but at the same time, I'll know me see nothing in a potty pot. They run a corner, you burn out and the water boil out. What you think about Allan's cooking? At the end of Allan's cooking show, you can tell me in the comment section. Allan, man. Come, Allan, man. Good God Almighty, no, man. Do something better than that. You put more water in the pot, Allan? Yeah. So what you going to do then now, Allan? So some trash on the breadfruit bottom there. You peel some share. So who are going to mix the flour for you? Are you cooking at your cooking show? It's Allan's cooking show. Tell them. Introduce them to Allan's cooking show. Allan. But you brush them no bad, but them butter, man. You get a lick in the middle. So show them when we say butter, Allan,
yeah,
show them.
See the butter, you know.
Yeah.
Look a black spot in it.
Right.
That means they drop right there, so.
And it goes straight to the right in the heart. See them see through them in the part they will come up. So them they're not good. We can't eat that, right?
Yeah, so
that would be bitter. Right.
Solid, you know?
Yeah.
White and pretty.
So learn this now, Paris. That is what we call the buttering of the breadfruit. So you don't try to eat that. It will be bitter. Yeah. And in nobody know, Allan?
Oh, man, a good bread.
Yeah, man. So breadfruit around. Well, let me see Patois go on the breadfruit. Water boil up, Allan. Let me see if you are good cook. Let me see if you can use your hand and lift up the pot. Quick, boy. Saltfish in a pot. Ah, yeah, so nice. Cooking on the roadside in St. Mary. Ah, yeah, so nice. Man. Whoa. Yeah. Allan. Allan, your feet say patty, I got all food for everybody. Yeah, you don't peel that brush, eh? Because we have to put in dumpling and banana. Yeah, food there, whopper food, breadfruit and saltfish. For hungry, eh? Every day me are there now for the breadfruit, you know. Oh, but, yeah, but me not buy no breadfruit at all for $500 and $600. Me used to tell me.
You see when they come, I buy for $40 and $50.
For one, all right, you know, here do, but tell the whole world, and when you go downtown, yeah, the littlest breadfruit at $300, $250. Yeah.
Auntie, come here, come get them, man.
Yeah, man. So make sure, so if you don't come in, you don't tell me, you know, for me look about breadfruit for you. Yeah. In Uncle Murphy, Allan with that town had $500 and $600 for some of my brush them, you know. Big breadfruit, them where them a sell. And if they roast them a year, then say when they come in the district, you all $40 and $50, $30 them a want.
The biggest one too.
Yeah.
Then,
No man, them a buy one size, that's what them a buy.
Yeah, if you roast one like that size, a $400 or $500.
That little, let me show people them. Yeah. Yeah, man.
The auntie, they be no food.
So for big breadfruit, for when they roast something like that, if one size like that.
Yeah.
So take it, Parry, and when you come to Jamaica, and you come to St. Mary for brush, we have it here, wagga. Saltfish, more saltfish, we say. Yeah. Yeah, more saltfish, we say. Right, Allan?
Yeah, more saltfish.
Cooking with Allan continues.
Yeah. Some calm dumpling at the pot.
Yeah, Tommy.
And fire bubble. It's not like the cold stove.
Yeah, all right, here is.
You look on pot ready. I didn't hear them at all.
Tease up the fire. If I want tease up, Allan, you don't make dumpling. You feel say Patois go hold on, Allan? Cooking with Allan.
Banana, it all. We have to get one bigger patante. Patante is small,
We want some go to El Pat. Well, nothing wrong, you know, we can cook banana them in our next pot, you know. Allan, the talk of you are cooking them and the people them go say me a go and let me take over your cooking show.
No, man, you have to take over the cooking show. Then I see man say I put dumpling in a pot.
But me I try to make you know say as the cooker you should have know say the pot you know enough to hold the dumpling.
Yeah, man, you can hold the dumpling.
Me nah put it on her Allan lady that help me now, him and she around the cookie, but she don't want her face on the camera. So Allan have him lady, you know. So all who out there looking at Allan, Allan tell them you're taken. Right?
Long time.
Hot yo! Story come to boom. No sir! Catch you in the next clip. Cooking with Allan on the roadside continues right here on the Jamaican Deb's train.
Oh, the saltfish you know from out of the pot.
You take out the saltfish now, yeah, go get some more space.
Yeah.
Yeah man, you will have space to put in the nana them.
Yeah, so I eat that.
Yeah, pot pretty do Allan. Hey, when you cook the saltfish with the food,
Yeah,
yeah.
So we get good Patois. Allan Patois, we drink them.
Yeah man, want a cup of it for bust the gas with some bird pepper.
Yeah, we put the banana in there, you know?
Yeah. Cooking with Allan. See? So we are check back in with Allan Parry. Well, and what happened then now? We could see what going for your part.
Yeah, man.
Some machine in the background, the Parry. Sorry for that.
Food cook and them something, you know. So we have a line up the saltfish, you know. And then say 5 o'clock cooking, you know. But we are trying to make it earlier, you know.
So what going in the pot then now?
Yeah, man. Pot ready. See there? Look how it's there. Dumpling,
Yeah.
banana and bread share. Ready up.
So you say you pick up the saltfish and you have the season?
Yeah, man.
Cut up this so. Boy, Parry, me shame if I look like your food I got ready earlier than me expect. Yeah, but you get help, you have to talk the truth. Allan, have you fold them, yeah?
Oh, sure.
Them fold them look hungry, and then we did see last week. I saltfish you put up there. Talk to the people, let me know. Yeah, Monica, you brown up your saltfish too? Yeah. Tell them, girl. Them not see but tell them. And me tell them, say when I cook up my saltfish, they put in my ackee, me brown up my saltfish first, make it crispy like. Yeah. A country we come from. St. Mary we come from. Yeah. St. Mary we come from, Monica. Trust me, yeah. That's how we do for we thing. We no cook up seasoning before saltfish. Yeah, we brown up saltfish first. Yeah, man. And they were chewing season. When me I do my ackee and saltfish, me show them. It's when you brown up and the saltfish get a little brown, crispy color. And you put it in your season.
And chicken back.
Yeah, you fry up the chicken back crispy. Talk to me now, girl. Talk, make them hear. Monica don't want the pan camera that Allan lady and she talk up the things them. Talk up the things them, Monica.
You brown up the chicken back crispy.
Yeah, man, fry up the chicken back crispy. Throw in your look, throw in your season, and then you put in your yo, you see all that with the roast breadfruit, girl. Me say if you ever taste all that with the roast breadfruit, you're not talking near me now. Oh, no, if you go come up a bush mouth, you're in a party. I want the year so you will find them. Only St. Mary you get that. Monica, I work a saltfish bone there. Whoa. Come along the aisle ready, you know. And you around the thing, you know. It's the last, yeah, food. When you see this happening, you cry food I go ready. Food ready. St. Mary cooking that, you know. Yeah, watch this now. Yes, sir. Good, sir. Squeeze out your water, Allan. Anytime they come here, they are in Allan, you have to go cook some of them food after them. Yeah. Me sorry you never want to come on the camera. Me show you with them with the saltfish, you know. Why? So when everything done brown up and season are going,
Yeah.
I eat that. Yeah, we come back. Yeah, put some ketchup in there. Yeah.
Yeah, so I put the saltfish, you know. Yeah,
Brown up the
so we brown up the saltfish, you know.
and put in the seasoner.
And then we are going to put it in the seasoning and it brown up. And take him right down. So you see it, you see how it brown? That's how we deal with him, you know. Yeah, we don't cook white saltfish.
Hey, Kitty, come. Come out the road.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I go on to now. Yo. So you couldn't carry them come for me, man? Alright, when you go back? Oi? Yeah. So we are dropping the seasoning now, man. You see how it looks now?
Oh, that's pretty, Allan.
The slow stuff, this, you know? And we show how we are there.
Yeah, man. Talk to them now.
Yeah. I eat this, you know? I eat this Allan, you know?
So you say boat land here now.
Yeah, man, original.
Yeah. Cook up saltfish,
Saltfish,
Rastaman
yeah.
thing. Yeah, man.
The one and then the tomato.
And I tell you like this
yeah.
irresistible Allan.
Yeah.
Touch me.
Yes, auntie, we know
Yeah.
to do it.
See that one, yeah.
Yeah, and this are the food,
Yeah.
dumpling,
Pretty
and
like
banana,
money.
breadfruit.
Money.
Yeah, so that's the man then cook make the dumpling them, you know. So you know it go.
Yeah.
Ah.
Food we say now. We are waiting for our food now. Here? Share them to the free work man them and just take out. I call them out, them and do something, then can't come to take out and play. Just take out back to my breadfruit out of for me. Out of that one and then you can share it for me again after.
Alright.
Yeah, roadside cooking. How this? Alright, dish up is salting. Hold that Nadi, hold that, making dish up is salting.
How that?
Yeah! How that? But you don't know how they eat, that is it again.
I know just stealing I eat now.
No, like breadfruit and so.
Yeah man, I eat.
You have to take out back.
Boy, the saltfish smell nice here. You know smell your Uncle Murphy? Go up on the aisle. Yo! No sir. Them not cook like this at city. No, so I want the town there so cook. Take out some of my brush here. I don't know if they, maybe another, I don't know how for that. What them no want? Put another dumpling. Yeah man, then we add. You want a big tray.
You don't want to more this because you say I'm not eating this stuff yourself.
Put like more saltfish man, a big beer. Yeah man. But I don't know if they eat. We are carry around them here for them. I don't know they eat.
Where
I
the
carry
cat them there?
Let us ufa. Alright, Allan. Take out one of the banana and then sit in the turns and I eat enough.
And one eye dumpling.
Me will eat it, no, because I'm not afraid Uncle Murphy will feed him face too.
What?
Ah, who?
Aye.
That him not eat no more than that. Alright, this for Uncle Murphy food you know. You must treat your guests them.
Oh, yeah, so,
Uncle Murphy want everything, bresche, dumpling, banana. Yeah. And then you dish manica one and then you can dish for me. I don't know how them people they eat, you know.
Oh, give me no more banana.
Give him dumpling.
Yeah, that's alright.
Alright. So cooking with Allan. So where's the end I eat that Allan?
yeah, man,
So what you have to tell them?
you know, they cooking this, you know, I eat.
What you have
I
to
eat
tell
them,
them?
so the
When they
family-
come, they can come look for you?
Yeah, I did anytime. Anytime.
Alright.
I will be here cooking for them.
Alright. You know, hear it, Parry, from Allan's mouth.
Yeah.
So this is the end of cooking with Allan. We're going to go enjoy some of this roadside country food on the Jamaican Deb Shrine. Yeah, Parry, cooking with Allan, but eating with me. You see my food? Cooking with Allan, but eating with me. Yeah, but look here. Everybody we out here, so we are bite with dumpling. Watch your dumpling. Watch this. Mommy dumpling. What you know about that? Me live on Mama Veranda. Like a bit. A country nice. Catch you.